Okay, so we have lobster tails. I got this from Costco. So this is how we cut or how to present lobster tails. So make sure you have kitchen scissors and then you cut it in the middle, but make sure to stop here bago mag-tail. And then you're gonna try to crack to open the shell para ma-expose yung meat. So like that. So ngayon ayaw niyang umalis. Ayan. So just be careful kasi medyo delicate yung shell. I'm trying to be really careful. And then you can lift the meat. Ito. Try to lift. Ayan. So, na-expose na siya. So, you just have to do it with everything. So, okay, so right now they're all done. Nabuksan na natin yung lobsters. So prepare your pan, and I have some oil and paprika. So what we're gonna do is we take one lobster, and then I already pulled it out, and then you're going to put it just on top. Ayan. But you have to put some oil on top and under it para hindi siya mag-dry. Then you can put some salt and pepper, or to add, ay! Ayan, o diba? To add color, we're gonna put some paprika. Ayan. So, we're gonna do one more. So, ayan, diba? So, inangat. Tapos, papatong lang. Spread para tumayo yung lobster. And then, we're just gonna put some oil. Just rub top and the bottom. And then, sprinkle some paprika. So let's just do all of it. Okay, so ayan. Nilagyan natin lahat. May pasaway pa. Ayusin lang natin. And then we are going to bake this on sa oven, preheated at 375 degrees for 12 minutes. Okay, so it's all baked. So we're just gonna put this on the side. And then we're gonna take one and we're gonna plate it. Okay, so luto na yung ating lobster tail. So guys, it has to be 140 internal temperature when you're baking lobster. So we have our sauces, chimichurri and garlic butter and lemon. Okay, so if you like chimichurri, you can just brush it on top. Ayan, sarap. And then, if you want the butter too, and then the butter and garlic sauce. So I just melted a stick of butter and I chopped some garlic, around 5 cloves of garlic. Ayan. So there you have it. There's chimichurri and garlic butter sauce, lobster tails.